Assembly instructions. Place the radiator upside down on a flat and stable surface. Attach the front wheel base assembly to the bottom of the front panel with 2 screws. Insert the rear wheel base assembly into the fixed U-bolt, and then tighten the 2 wing nuts securely. Warning: always operate the radiator in the normal upright position, with the wheels attached at the bottom and the controls at the top. Using it in any other position can be dangerous. Operating instructions. Place the heater upright on a flat, stable, and heat-resistant surface. Make sure there are no flammable or heat-sensitive items within 1 meter, or about 40 inches. The heater has 3 heating levels. Turn the power switch from off to the first level for minimum heating. Turn it to the second level for medium heating. Turn it to the third level for maximum heating. Turn the thermostat knob clockwise to the maximum level. To lower the room temperature, turn it counterclockwise. To turn off the heater, set the thermostat knob and the power switch to off position. Caution: do not touch the hot surfaces with bare skin while the heater is running to avoid burns.